This is Ron getting back with you. For the guys that have never started an engine in an engine stand, and they've never, started it out an engine up without the key or nothing, this is what you got to do. Alright, what I did is I got an old tractor solenoid. I keep it on hand just for this. And what it is one wire, the ground. I hook the ground up to the ground on the battery. Positive is for when we go to start it. You just see. And then this clip right here, I just put to the positive side of the solenoid, and you follow that wire around.
Ron?
Hello.
How's it going?
I got it started.
Oh, cool.
I'm doing a video showing guys how to start an engine without the ignition. So that black wire that I got there, it probably better to have it red, goes to the positive side of your coil. That way you get spark to your points and condenser, and then from your cap to your plugs. And the negative side wire is the one that comes out of your distributor. Positive is this one. We're following it down, following it down, following it down, right down to there. That's all it's to it. You take yourself an old gas can off an old tiller or something, run you a filter to your pump, and I did clean the carbs, tried to do a little bit, got the floats loose and everything, and tried to blow the jets out, but these are in really rough condition, so it wouldn't idle long. It wouldn't pull enough fuel in to keep running. So that's how you do it, guys. Bye for now.